In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Outlook from your computer. Whether you're freeing up space, switching to a new email client, or simply tidying up your system, removing an unused application like Outlook can be a smart move. Let's get started by navigating through the process step by step, ensuring there's no room for confusion or error. First things first, you'll want to begin by heading over to the Start menu on your desktop. This is typically located in the bottom left corner of your screen and is often represented by a small window icon if you're using a Windows operating system. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu, which is your gateway to many of your computer's functions. Once you've opened the Start menu, your next stop is the Settings. You can find the Settings option usually as a gear icon. Clicking on it will bring you to a new window where we can start making the changes we need. The Settings menu is the control center for altering most preferences and configurations on your machine, so getting familiar with it is always a good idea. Now, when you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Apps. Clicking on this section will provide you with a comprehensive list of all applications installed on your computer. It's in this list that we'll locate Outlook. Keep in mind that this might take a moment as the list can be quite extensive, especially if you have many applications installed. With the apps list open, your task is to scroll through and find Outlook. Applications are usually listed alphabetically, so you can scroll down or use a search feature if it's available to quickly navigate to the section containing Outlook. Take your time ensuring you've selected the correct application, as uninstalling the wrong program could lead to unintentional outcomes. Upon finding Outlook, you'll see options associated with modifying or changing the program, and that's exactly where the uninstall option will be as well. Select the uninstall option and follow any prompts the computer gives you next. These can include confirmations or additional steps the computer might require to complete the process. After you've confirmed and completed the uninstall process, Outlook should no longer be on your application list nor take up space on your computer. That's it, you've uninstalled Outlook successfully. Taking the time to manage the software on your computer not only can free up space, but also can optimize your device's performance, keeping it running smoothly. If at any point you need to reinstall Outlook, most email clients offer easy download and installation processes online. And there you have it, a simple yet thorough guide on how to uninstall Outlook. Be sure to check out other videos for more helpful computer tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and remember to tackle one tech task at a time.